Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. Today we're going to talk about how to keep ducks out of your yard. In this video, we're going to take you through the most practical and humane ways to deter ducks from your yard. So stick around for that. First, eliminate food sources. Being omnivorous gives us the ability to eat almost anything, right? Well, this is a feature that we share with ducks. One of the things that could attract ducks to your yard is food. Since ducks love to eat, eliminating food sources from your yard can keep them away. Ensure that your yard is clean and free from leftover food or waste that may attract these birds. Install a scarecrow light. One of the biggest predators that scares away ducks is hawks. Therefore, you should consider installing a scarecrow kite that looks like a hawk to keep them away. When the wind blows the scarecrow kite, it may give the duck the impression that there's an actual hack in your yard. Get a dog. You can also keep ducks from your yard with a dog, since they consider this animal a predator. The dog doesn't even have to be aggressive to intimidate the ducks and to keep them away from your yard. Its mere presence, or even its bark, can easily scare them. Though any dog can help you keep ducks out of your yard with proper training, some dogs may do a better job. Therefore, if you plan on getting a new dog for this purpose, consider retrievers. Consider using an ultrasonic repellent, rather than using chemical sprays that may be harmful to your pets. You can safely keep ducks out of your yard using an ultrasonic repellent. This is harmless to birds, and it may not irritate you since the repellent produces high-frequency sounds that you can't hear. However, the sound is irritating to the ducks. Plant tall trees. Ducks don't like areas with tall trees and shrubs, since it makes it harder for them to detect predators. So, planting tall shrubs or trees in your yard can make it unattractive for these birds. So there you have it, guys. Which of these methods would you like to try first? Feel free to share with us by leaving a comment. Thanks for watching.